madilim at sumabog sa paligid ang lagim. Matatakot ka na lang ba sa dahas? At di man lang ba mag-aaklas?
Kung ikaw may lakas at kaya mong baguhin bukas, patakas na lang o magbabalangkas. Pag-asa, hahayaan bang lumibas?
Sino ka ba? Mabuti o sama-sama magkakapili ba? Kung ano ba ang mali? Sino bang dapat magsabi kung tama?
Nabubuhay ka ba para sa sarili o magmamahal sa mga api? Kalaban ba o bayani? Tingnan ang sarili. Ikaw ang mamili. Who decides I will ever do? The demons try to break you from within. Know that evil tries to hurt the purest souls. Don't give up now, that's the way it goes.
When the tears are flowing down and trying to make it feel like you're lost, you're calling for help, no one even cares to respond. No one's invincible, not even heroes. Who are you now? Which point of view? The choice between evil and good is on you. Why try to justify the end when some lives have been broken along the
Illusion of freedom, but there's a chance of a war. We refuse to see devil in me. You never get to persuade me. I'm not out there waiting. Sino pang tinutugis mo dito? Kanino ba dapat ibaling ang galit sa kawalan ng katarungan? Saan ang tatakbuhan kung inapakan ng karapatan?
Sino ba ang nagkamali dito at bakit nagtuturuan? Bumatola ng una kung sino walang kasalanan.